First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything that's gonna be being spray painted gold, which is the wall mount, the mirror, the angel, and then I have this thing I'm gonna make into like a wall shelf. And I only paid $3 for this at the thrift store. And this mirror that I have here, I got tape on the mirror and I don't know how to get it off. This is like tape residue. It's not dirty, but I need to figure out how to take that off. But I think I'm gonna respray it gold. This mirror came white and I had bought it from Walmart as well for $15. So I'm gonna respray it because you can see the white is starting to show through. I got this gold metallic spray from Walmart and I think it was about $8. I got it last year, but it was like around $8. Took off my roses from the Dollar Tree. So if you find any red roses with these kind of stems on them in your Dollar Tree, I just separated from the rose and we're gonna use that. So that's everything we're gonna need. Then I got these two angels for the entranceway that I'm gonna spray paint gold. Gold spray I showed you. So I'm gonna do that outside and I'm gonna let these, I'm gonna place everything on a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna spray everything with gold spray and I'm gonna let it dry overnight and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these Velcro command strips that I got from Walmart and they hold up to 16 pounds. And when you take them out, they'll be in sets of 3. They look like this. This side has Velcro and then this side has the sticky part. You'll just peel these off. So I'm gonna be using 3 sets because you gotta use 2 at a time. So I'm gonna use 3 sets of 2. So what you do is you tear them apart and on the Velcro side, you push them together until they snap in place so you can hear it. So now that they're stuck together, and then obviously one side will go onto the wall and then the other side will go onto the back of the mirror. I'm gonna be using them on the back of this mirror. I just finished spray painting it. I had saran wrap on the mirror. I peeled it off so I was able to spray paint and gold around. So we're gonna be applying 1 here and then probably 2 on the sides to the wall. So I'm gonna use 6 of these in total. Make sure they're lined up. Okay, so now I'm gonna peel the sticker off the back. I'm gonna take my mirror and I'm gonna place 1 on the bottom going across. Make sure it's flat on there. Down the center, so we're gonna go ahead and hang that on the wall and make sure they're pressed all the way down. And I want it centered right where you come in, right there. And then you just wanna press it against the wall and make sure it's secure. Okay. And next, we're gonna take this that I also had spray painted gold that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna place command strips here and here. Do the same thing with the opposite side. I need to line those up better. Okay, so like that. And I'm gonna place that underneath and make sure that it's pressed onto the wall. Secure. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those 2 angels that I spray painted gold and I'm gonna put them on the sides. Try to make them even. That. And the 2 stems I showed you guys from the roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. I broke them off and I used the roses in a vase that I have in my living room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna crisscross them and tuck them behind the mirror like that. I don't want them to lay flat. I don't want the stems sticking out, so you could just tuck the stems in on the side. Or however you like it, position it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like up close. Okay, so that's how it looks. And I also added this crown on there too that I got from the Dollar Tree. So that's the detailing. I gotta clean the glass. I kind of scratched it up too. But yeah, so pretty.